How to improve CV parsing results. If you've ever had trouble importing consultants' CVs due to inconsistent formats, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through common problems and practical fixes to ensure your CV imports go smoothly. First, let us start with a quick example of a problem that arises from a badly formatted CV. So, Olivia, an IT consultant, sent you her CV, and you need to import it into Sprint CV to start helping her look for her dream job. Therefore, you can either create a new account for her on our platform or upload the new CV to her existing account using the Profile Manager, which allows you to maintain multiple profiles for the same person without overwriting the original one. Now, after you've created the new profile, you notice that there are some missing sections. The CV summary doesn't exist, while the professional experience was only partially imported. So how do we fix this problem? The issue stems from poor formatting or an incorrect structure in the CV you've imported. To resolve this, ensure the CV is in an editable format. We recommend working on it in a Word document. If the file is in PDF format, you can easily convert it to Word using an online converter. The parser missed information on Olivia's CV due to the use of text boxes. Her CV was formatted with part of the professional experience on the first page and the remainder on the second page. However, because the text boxes were treated as regular text, they separated the dates across the two pages, causing the professional experience section to break. As a result, the parser was unable to recognize the entire section. We can fix this issue by simply copying the information on the text boxes into the end of the document, after the professional experience section. Then, we can delete the text boxes and copy any additional information to the end of the document as well. Once the new document is saved, simply go to Olivia's Profile Manager, create a new profile, and upload the document. You'll notice that the parser now works perfectly, importing all the items correctly. After this example, we want to show you more problems that can arise due to incorrect structure and formatting of CVs. The first of those is related to title inconsistencies. Titles like summary, experience, and education are key to how the parser organizes sections. But problems arise when consultants use unconventional titles, or worse, titles in other languages. In this example, Olivia used the titles in Portuguese. On another one, she used different titles that are not common practice on the industry. In this case, if you create a new profile and try to import the CV with mistakes, what will happen is that the parser will get the sections confused and miss the information. Here, it didn't parse the CV summary. Solve this by manually correcting the titles and using the standardized titles that we use at Sprint CV. Then, upload the corrected version through the Profile Manager, and you will see that the parser will do its job accurately. In this example, the CV summary was correctly imported after we made the corrections. Now, let's tackle one of the most common issues: incorrect date formatting in the professional experience section. Some consultants may omit dates or simply list the number of years they've worked, which confuses the parser. The wrong date format will make the parser list inaccurate years of experience on the professional experience section. Solve this by specifying the start and end dates of a given professional experience. Afterwards, import the CV into a new profile and the problem will disappear, since the parser will identify and list the correct dates. The order in which sections appear in a CV can also confuse the parser. For example, a consultant may include a table of skills with associated years of experience, but if this is positioned incorrectly or formatted in a non-standard way, the parser might mistake it for professional experience, leading to errors. So, you need to ensure that the CV follows a logical structure, with standard sections like summary, professional experience, skills, etc. placed in the expected order. If necessary, rearranging the CV before importing can help the parser accurately interpret the document. This step will fix the issue and the information will be in the right section. Describing language proficiency is another area where inconsistencies can lead to problems during import. Some consultants may use informal or non-standard descriptions of their language proficiency, which the parser may not recognize. Use standard language level descriptors, such as those found on LinkedIn or the Europass framework. For example, you can use native, bilingual, B2, A1, and so on. Then, after you've created the new profile, our parser will assume the correct language proficiency and display it on the consultant profile. We have 2 additional bonus tips for you. If you see that a training and education is on the wrong category, you can convert it to the other one with just 2 clicks. On another tip, a great way to avoid formatting issues is to use LinkedIn profiles. LinkedIn exports follow consistent formatting, making it easier for the parser to extract the right information. Plus, consultants often keep their LinkedIn profiles up to date. And that's it. We hope you can troubleshoot most of the parsing mistakes with this tutorial, and if you have any extra issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us.